This is our ab coaster. This is great for the lower abdominals, and I'm going to show you a few ways that you can use it. First, in order to add any weight to it, it is a plate-loaded machine, so you can only add up to 40 pounds. This is a 5-pound weight, but you just find them in a nearby stack and make sure that you're adding the same amount of weight on either side, because it does have 2 sides and 2 bars where you can load them onto. The other adjustment you have to make is going to be for your hand placement. So you're going to slide your elbow here, rest it, and then you want your hand to be able to grip towards the bottom of this machine. If you had longer arms, you could extend it further or pull it down and just make sure it's locked into place. Now that I have 10 pounds loaded onto the machine, your starting position is going to be with a straight body, and then you're going to crunch your lower core and bring it forward. It's going to resist you backwards and push you back, so you have to keep moving with the motion. So crunch it in and bring it down, in and down. You do have the option to rotate the seat in order to get a little bit of obliques by adding a little bit of twist. So now that I'm twisted, bring it forward.